is up, loves, and welcome back to Christmas. Man, it has been such a long ride. I'm pretty sure I ripped like 5 locks out on the way, but I've had so much fun being able to do this series for you guys, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed it too. So today's video is the last video in the Christmas series. I'm so sad. So today you knew it had to be a giveaway video for you guys. So when I bought the items from the first giveaway, I bought these, but I ended up breaking it into 2 giveaways just because I felt like it was so many items. So I'm bringing you part 2 of the giveaway today. You guys have had like a crazy response to the first giveaway. The comment section is like blowing up over there, so thank you guys. Today is actually the end day for that, so at midnight tonight that giveaway will close, and then I will announce that winner on New Year's Day. So let's jump straight into this giveaway because I'm sure you guys are super excited about what's in here. So before I get started, I do just want to apologize to all the men that follow me. I did get a couple DMs on Instagram asking like where all the men stuff was, and I want to apologize since I am like a female based YouTube channel and I do a lot of like clothing hauls that are more geared towards women. I just assumed like majority of my followers are women, so please do not take any like disrespect. Like, I love all of my followers equally and I do apologize, and I promise when I do a next giveaway I will make sure that I have men's stuff in there for you guys because I do love you and I genuinely care about your support, and I don't want you to feel like I just like left you guys out. So again, I apologize, but please do still enter into the giveaway if you have like a special lady in your life or like a friend or your mom. Like, these gifts can be given away, so don't be discouraged. So the first item in the giveaway are a couple pieces from Fashion Nova. You guys may have seen these in a previous haul video, but these have honestly just been sitting in my closet for a while, and I contemplated on donating them, but I figured I would just add them into the giveaway. So the first is a 2-piece set, and this is the top. It is a cropped top, so cute. It's like in a tweed material. And this is the skirt on the bottom. The next thing are these beautiful faux leather pants, and they were in this beautiful deep green color. These are so gorgeous, and I'm sad that they did not fit me like how I expected them to. The next thing is this faux leather skirt. I mean, who doesn't want to look like a badass? And the next item is this beautiful emerald green jumpsuit. It is so freaking long, and I love this gold chain detailing. So the next thing that I picked up for you guys is this Crosley vinyl player, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It is beautiful. I picked it up in this gorgeous white color. We are very music oriented in my house, and we listen to so much music that it made me want to get you guys a record player as well. And I also picked up a vinyl for you. So it is this Bob Marley album. I figured like this was a good choice because there's so many different like genres of music and everybody has such a different taste in music. But if you don't like Bob Marley, then I think there's something wrong with you. The next thing that I picked up for you guys is this beautiful Coach bag. Now I am sad because I ordered this online and I assumed it would come in like the Coach box, but it didn't. They just like left it in this little baggie, but it's no biggie. And I'm not going to open this. I will let the winner open it, but this is what it looks like. It is just this cute little small bag. It's like perfect for me. I think I'm gonna have to order myself one of these because it's gorgeous, and I'm so jealous whoever gets this bag. And the last item in this giveaway is this Glossier Advent Calendar. Oh my lord, this box is so freaking heavy. There are 25 full-size products inside of here, and when you open it, it has little drawers, and then you pull the drawers out and it has the products inside. This little booklet here tells you all of the items that are inside. I have not opened this. I just opened this box to show you guys right now. I've not touched a single thing in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited though. This values for over $600 worth of product. Like, it's insane. And on the inside it says there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy, and I think this is So cute. Now I know I don't do a whole lot of makeup on my channel, but honestly that's just because I suck. I do like to play around though, and I honestly do believe that makeup is a girl's best friend, so I'm genuinely jealous for whoever gets this right here. Also, as you guys can tell, I have a serious problem with advent calendars. I just like them. I just love that they're like surprises within the prize, like, you know what I mean? I don't know, I'm just a weirdo like that. So I'm sure you guys are wondering how to enter into the giveaway, so I'm going to keep the rules fairly simple. This is going to be in the US only, and you do need to be 18 years or older to enter. So rule number 1 is you obviously have to be subscribed to me. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified when I post new content. The next thing is to drop a comment down below letting me know what you are the most excited for and why. And make sure you leave me a way to reach you, so either Instagram or Facebook or an email. And then again, I'm going to have bonus entries. So any comment down below that has hashtag Christmas will be an added bonus, and you can enter in as many times as you like. And the last bonus entry is to follow me over on Instagram, and I will have that drop down below for you guys. So one of you will win all of these great products. So I will be announcing that over on Instagram on New Year's Day. I love you guys, Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you next time. Bye!